The vSphere Management Assistant, also known as the vMA, is a virtual machine that includes prepackaged software such as a Linux distribution, the vSphere command line interface, and the vSphere SDK for Perl. vMA allows administrators to run scripts or agents that interact with ESX, ESXi, and vCenter server systems without having to explicitly authenticate each time. The vMA can also collect the ESX, ESXi, and Virtual Center server logging information and store that information on the vMA appliance for analysis. In order to deploy a vMA virtual machine, you must do the following. Open the vSphere client and connect to an ESX or ESXi host that is version 3.5 update 2 or later, or connect to a vCenter server system that is version 4.0 or later. In our example, we will be connecting directly to a VMware ESX host. Select File, Deploy OVF Template. The Deploy OVF Template wizard appears. If you have downloaded the entire appliance, select Deploy from File. If you have not downloaded the virtual machine, then select Deploy from URL. For our example, we will be downloading the virtual machine from the URL. Enter http://www.vmware.com/go/import-vma4.vma4.ovf as the URL and click Next. Review the details and click Next. Read, and if applicable, accept the license agreement and click Next. Specify a name and click Next. Review the information and click Finish. The wizard deploys the vMA virtual machine to the host that you selected. The deploy process can take several minutes. In order to configure the vMA virtual machine, you must do the following. In the vSphere client, right-click the virtual machine and click Power On. Select the Console tab. When prompted about DHCP, answer appropriately. For our demonstration, we will answer yes to use DHCP. When prompted about DNS, answer appropriately. For our demonstration, we will answer yes to get DNS information from DHCP. Provide the host name for the virtual machine and press Enter. Review your settings, type yes, and press Enter to proceed. When prompted, specify a secure password for the VI admin user on this virtual machine. This user has root privileges, so ensure that the password is secure. The password will not be echoed on the screen. The vMA is now configured and prompts you to log in as VI admin. In order to manage ESX, ESXi, and vCenter servers using the vMA virtual machine, you must do the following. Log into the vMA as the VI admin user. Run the command sudo space vifp space add server space and the hostname or IP address of the desired server. For this example, we will be using a VMware ESX host. Specify the password of the ESX host's root user when prompted. The text will not be echoed on the screen. Run the command vifp list servers. This command will list all ESX, ESXi, and vCenter servers that has been added by the vifp add server command. You can repeat these steps if you have multiple servers. Adding a vCenter server will add all ESX hosts managed by that vCenter server. The vMA appliance includes a feature called FastPass. After running a command to select a host, the FastPass feature will automatically provide the host name, username, and password of the selected host to all future vSphere CLI commands. The following is a demonstration of how to use FastPass feature. Log into the vMA as the VI admin user. Run the command vifp list servers. This command will list all ESX, ESXi, and vCenter servers that have been added by the vifp add server command. Select one of the hosts listed by the command. Run the command vifp init and the host name of the target server that you selected, and press enter. Make note that the prompt now includes the name of the host that was selected. To demonstrate FastPass, we will run the command esxcfg-dns. Make note that the command did not require us to specify the host name, username, or password. Also make note the DNS information in the output. It is unique to that host. The vMA appliance includes a feature called vlogger. When enabling vlogger, the vMA appliance will periodically collect the logs from the host it manages. The following is a demonstration of how to use the vlogger feature. Log into the vMA as the VI admin user. Run the command cd var/log/vmware and press enter. Run the ls command to list the contents of the directory. Make note of the contents. Run the command vifp list servers. This command will list all ESX, ESXi, and vCenter servers that has been added by the vifp add server command. Run the command vlogger enable and press enter to enable the vlogger feature. Run the ls command to list the contents of the directory. Make note of the new contents. Use the cd command to change directory to the one named after the desired host. Press enter. Run the ls command to list the contents of the directory. Make note of the log files.